Hello everyone, I'm Prasad Sase from N Infinity Engineering Academy, and I have created this video just to give you briefings about the online courses that we are offering. The outline of this video will be I'll be introducing myself, followed by the online courses we are offering, then the very unique features of each and every course, and followed by a discussion of short topics so that you could get an idea about in what way the actual sessions will be conducted. So here we go with So I completed my bachelor's and master's from Pune University under computer engineering. With the choice, I joined to Vishwakarma Institute of Technology in year 2000. Then after 5 years, I switched to Siagar College of Engineering, and there I worked for 6 more years. And after this 11 years of technical teaching in reputed engineering colleges, I started with my own academy, N Infinity Engineering Academy, with the mindset of providing excellent knowledge to the students through our excellent coaching. Under the global certifications, I'm Oracle certified Java programmer, as well as I'm Oracle certified expert for advanced Java programming as well. This is one more global certifications. I'm a Red Hat certified system administrator, as well as I'm CDAC certified professional also. One incredible achievement of N Infinity Engineering Academy is we have produced Pune University topper twice for theory of computation, one of the difficult subject in third year computer and IT engineering. So let's discuss something around the courses that we are offering. Basically, all the 4 programming courses and one conventional course of theory of computation. So we'll be offering Python and Java programming, the most needed programming courses in IT domain, as well as the basic understanding course that is C programming and C++ programming. And all these 4 programming courses we are offering at a very core way. The features of the courses are sessions will be conducted through Zoom or Google Meeting. And as we know that online sessions becomes quite a monotonous, so we'll try to keep the sessions more interactive, and as I believe that PowerPoint presentation is the fastest way to ask the audience to go to sleep. So we are going to provide the detailed explanation of each and every topic with paper and pencil method so that student will be able to get to know like he is interacting closely with the teacher, though he is attending the sessions in online way. The course notes and assignments will be provided in the PDF form. And as while programming, student may feel some queries difficulties, so separate interactive sessions will be provided for query solving. Every code will be shown step by step. No code will be shown which is a readily available code, right? So that student could be able to understand in what way he should go on writing the code. To understand his knowledge, to understand his understanding, we are going to conduct the regular test once the topic is finished. After the completion of the course, we are going to offer a course completion certificate to the student. So stay at home, stay safe, save your time of traveling, and get excellent knowledge by the excellent trainer at your desk. So happy to inform like there are 5,000 plus students who are passed out from N Infinity Engineering Academy for various programming courses. We are running at 2 branches. One is at Sata Road, other one is at Siagar Ambegao College. and this is my contact information. This is all from my presentation about my online programming language courses. If you really want to join any of the course, please connect me to my WhatsApp number 9422020202. I'll be able to send you all required information about a specific course. And one more thing, if you want to see really in what way we will be conducting the actual sessions, please watch my another video on my channel with the title as Online Session Demo. So you could be able to analyze and understand in what way all the online sessions will be conducted. Thanks for watching. Stay at home, stay safe, keep studying, keep learning. Thank you very much.